Hello everyone, welcome to BA Consulting Pro. In today's video, I'm going to discuss everything you need to know about DA-100 exam syllabus that has been changed on 23rd March 2021. That means, effective from March 23rd, 2021, there has been some changes in the DA-100 exam syllabus. In this video, we are going to discuss everything about that. So, let's get started. The very first part, we are going to discuss what are the skills measured, and along with that we are also going to discuss what are the changes has been made in that particular section. The very first part of DA-100 exam syllabus is prepare the data. That is coming about 20 to 25% of total exam questions. In this part, students are going to get data from different data sources, profile the data, clean and transform, and load the data. So in this part, there has been a change made by the Microsoft team for the Power BI DA-100 exam. And in this one, effective from 23rd March 2021, there has been added a new topic, that is connect to a dataset using the XML endpoint. In this one, you can expect questions around that about 1 to 3, and then you will have to answer those questions regarding the XML endpoint, like how to connect with the XML endpoint to any other data sources, etc., or Power BI dataset. So this is the addition, and on this topic I'll soon post a video under DA-100 exam series. So if you want to learn more, then please don't forget to check that video. The next section comes the model the data, which is around 25 to 30%, and in this section there are the different parts, that is design a data model, develop a data model, create measures by DAX, optimize model performance. I have already created the videos on all those topics. Please go on our YouTube channel and start watching those videos and prepare for the DA-100 exam. Now the next section comes the visualize the data. Again, it's gonna be 20 to 25%. In that part, you have to learn how to create the different reports, the dashboards, and enrich reports for usability. In this portion, there has been an addition and removal as well, which means there has been a topic which is added, that is the creating the pagination reports. Next week, I'm gonna create a video on this topic, and soon you will find that under the DA-100 exam series. If you haven't subscribed our channel, then I'll request you to go and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the updated news and videos from our channel. There has been a topic which is removed, that is the configure data classification under the create dashboards. This portion was earlier there, but now I think Microsoft is no longer gonna keep this topic for DA-100 exam. Now comes to the analyze the data, which is considerably less amount of percentage for DA-100 exam. It's 10 to 15%. In this, you have to work on the enhancing the report to expose insights. That means how to get the insights from a report, and performing the advanced analysis. In this section, there is no addition. Now the last part is deploy and maintain deliverables, which is 10 to 15 parts. There are the two subsections of this one, that is the manage datasets and create and manage workspaces. In both of the sections, there is an addition of a topic as well as there is a removal as well. So let's see that. Effective March 23rd, 2021, in the manage dataset, you have to work on the additional topic, that is configure a large dataset format and promote or certify Power BI datasets. Plus, in the same section, you will find that one topic has been removed, that is promote or certify Power BI content. However, if we talk about the create and manage workspaces, there has been just two additions. Nothing has been removed from this section, that is configure subscriptions and promote or certify Power BI content. So these were all the changes that Microsoft had made after March 23rd, 2021. So please go through all those topics before starting your preparation for the exams, and I'm over here to help you and guide you for the DA-100 exam, and also we are providing you the question and answers so that you can prepare for your DA-100 exam. If you want to connect with us or you want us to make any particular video on any particular topic regarding Power Automate, Power BI, you can let us know. You can directly email us. If you haven't subscribed our channel, then I request you to please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.